Hi there, Aldo. It's Marcy Hutton here. I spoke to you earlier in regards to shooting this video for you. Now I'm going to show you in this video 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? The reason that I do this is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of things that they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard, you can see I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we could chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things that I'm going to touch on are content, citations, and backlinks. And these 3 things are the things that you can do to get your website in front of more eyes, higher up in the search, and get more people clicking on it and calling you. When I say content, what I'm referring to is what I've got highlighted here, the words, the images that you have on the homepage and throughout your website. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a homepage, and it sounds extreme, but the reason for this is how this works is when a new site hits the web, Google finds it, goes in there, crawls the entire thing, and the reason that, they want to know what's going on, they want to know what the new information is that's just hit the web, and when it's in the case of a business and a service like you guys, they're going to want to know all of the services that you offer and where are you offering these services, so that then at a later date when somebody's typing in the browser that they want these services, they will be able to give that searcher the most relevant results. So you can see the more information that you have, then the more they have to go on. When they're crawling and they come across a site in a market and it's got a couple hundred words and then another one's got 1,500 words, they will see the one with the 1,500 words of content as being the expert. So therefore they're going to show them above the rest. So there's an opportunity that you could, you actually absolutely have room to add some content here to your homepage and help Google to serve you up higher in the results. And the second thing that you can do to help are citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So for example, 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp listing, this Google Maps listing is a citation. Anything that's got your name, address, and phone number. So when Google goes out and crawls and sees your business name all over the place, it tells them that you are in fact a legitimate business, and how it helps you to get more visibility and get seen on the first page. It's directly related to this area. So if you go out and get more citations than all of the other people in the market, all of your competitors, that's going to help to push you up closer to the top here. And of course the goal being one of these 3 that are in the top, being that they do get a big chunk of the clicks for the first page. Now down here, third thing, going to the backlinks. The backlinks help you to get into this section. Citations for the middle section, backlinks help you to get down here. Of course the paid ads are at the top. So what a backlink is, first of all, it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. And how this helps you to explain in simplest terms is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest. So when other sites on the internet vote for you, aka give a link to you, that in turn is going to push you up higher in the search. Google sees you as being the popular one, so they put you up higher so more people can see you, being that all these other websites on the internet are paying attention to you. You must be reputable and credible. All that kind of stuff. So I've taken your site and I put it into a tool that shows us what's going on behind the scenes. And I also took the number 1 and the number 2 businesses that are showing up on the first page. And the search term that it's always changing. It's depending on what's optimized and what search term is put in. But a very highly optimized site will be showing up for all of their main keywords and key phrases that they want to be seen for. So your site in there shows us that you have 2 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 4 backlinks. Unfortunately, though, not finding, and here's where the content comes into play, without having a fair bit of keyword-rich content, this is the trouble. They're not going to be able to see what it is that you do. And then, so let's look and see what we have going on for the first one. So the first one, it was Kerr, I think, Kerr Construction. They have 262 other websites that are linking back to theirs, giving them just under 1,000 backlinks, being found for almost 1,500 organic keywords, and they're getting an average of 777 people clicking on their site each month. And then when we go to the next one down, they have 57 referring domains linking to their site, giving them 440 backlinks, being found for 172 keywords, and they're getting roughly 350 visitors to their site each month. So that's kind of how that all works. Really not even all that complicated. It's just a matter of going out there, doing the competitor research, figuring out what they're doing, and beat them on all those 3 counts. So I'm going to email this off to you, Aldo, and I will follow up. I want to make sure you do in fact receive it, and happy to answer any questions if you have any. So we'll talk to you soon.